What's up, guys? Good morning. So today has started out to be such an amazing day. I booked some work for next week. I booked some work for tomorrow. I bought 2 ceramic coatings, so we know that's a good thing. I'm here at one of my favorite clients' house, who happens to be my neighbor, and we are gonna take care of this beautiful i7. I ceramic coated the car probably about like 2 weeks ago, so this will be the maintenance wash. We're gonna just double check that everything's on there fine. There's no high spots. That's usually my process for when I ceramic coat a vehicle. I come back after the 14 days that Gion wants you to have the car completely chemical free, so it could get wet and everything, but just no washes. So this is gonna be just a maintenance wash. All right. And I love this house. It's so close to mine, so that's why I love being here. And after this, we're gonna go to my friend Claudia's, where we had to recoat the vehicle. So I went ahead and polished everything out. I'll show you guys once we get there. But yeah, so hope you guys are having a great morning, because I am. So as you can see with this beautiful car, and just like every other car, I like to start on the interior. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually connecting a light, because it does get dark in there with that deck on top. But I go around, do a quick vacuum, take the carpets out, recondition the leather as we're in there, and just make sure that all the crevices are taken care of. Here are the carpets, so I'm just going through them. And that's kind of like the last step for my interior when I take them all back inside. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to show you different angles of the vehicle. The vehicle is mainly dusty. I don't see too many things that I want to point out, although here on the hood, there's some small stains. So if you look at those, that's dust, and see those stains right there? I have no clue what that is. It's not bird poop, because you can't see it. It's very clear. So let's just hope that with the wash, it takes that off. But it's a good thing to inspect the vehicle first. So I slowed it down here to go ahead and show you my go-to towels, okay? These are Klin microfiber towels, and they are exclusively purchased from Detail Division. Now I want to show you how easy it is for me to go completely over, and you're seeing that it's dry. And I just come right back around, and I take it across. I think I saw something there, but I want to show you how easy it is to use these towels. These are amazing. I own like 6 of them. Klin is an amazing manufacturer, and they are very, very supportive if you have any questions. But yeah, these things are amazing, and I've been wanting to do a challenge with, but I have yet to do it. But pretty soon you'll see a challenge by me with these Klin towels. Okay, and we're gonna put them to the test with the other towels that are on the market right now. Not to knock on anybody else, but these are what I prefer. You might have a different towel that you swear by, and that's completely fine. The most important thing is that by the time you get to your client, you have already done the research and development, so that you're not testing products out on their cars. Okay, you're coming to them with solid results and solid consistency, which is most important. So this is something that's very important. You need to make sure that you use something that can blow out the car, blow out the door jambs, the wheel wells, the trunk, everywhere that there's water, because the last thing you want is for the car to drive away or have little water droplets and it dry up and the customer see it. So you want to make sure you're always thorough and get those water traps. All right, guys, so super happy how it came out. There were no high spots, thank God. So let me show you the car. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack up and then we're gonna head over to Linwood. I'm in Van Nuys right now, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, okay, so we're here and we're looking at this Telluride. I just wanna show you everything that's on there. Not only is it dusty, but there's a bunch of bird poop. There's a lot of trees around here. So thankfully it hasn't been sitting on there too long. Okay, we already polished this car out beforehand, but I'm just looking it over and seeing what the condition of it is to see if there's any more refinement that we need to do. Okay, stay till the end so you can see how it comes out. All right, guys, so I'm all set up right here at my friend's, and one thing that's crucial as a mobile detailer, you need a tent, okay? Because you don't know how the weather's gonna be. You just need to make sure that it's strapped on to something where it won't fly off. Okay, the one that I have is from Costco. I think it's about like $160 or something like that. So if you don't have that in your arsenal, make sure you get that. Okay guys, so what you are seeing on this is a product that I started using that I love so much, not only because it smells amazing, but because it has a little bit of a high pH level to help cling onto any of the dirt and road grime that you see. So this is a great tool to use if you're prepping a vehicle for ceramic coating, which is exactly what I'm doing right here. But once you use this, you're gonna smell the aroma and it's gonna be soothing as you're washing someone else's vehicle. I threw some bug and tar remover on the tire, that's why you see it like that. But let's check it out. It's Friday, it's still nice out, there's still a bunch of time. I am done with this beauty. So with this one, I had polished it out maybe like a month ago. Came and washed it, did a nice quick finish polish. So we got it looking even better than it was. And I went ahead and ceramic coated it. So let me take you around the car so you can see it. This is a Kia Telluride. This is my friend's car, so this is a car we rave in. This is a car we take adventures in. So we gotta make sure that it stays looking amazing. But God, I just love how these cars look after you polish them out and ceramic coat them, because there's no point of polishing it out if you are not going to protect it. So my ceramic coatings start at $850 for car, $950 for truck or SUV. It is a bunch of work. There's a lot of time in it, so that's why the pricing is the way that it is. And there's multiple pricing. There's bigger packages. There's 1 steps. There's 2 steps. There's a bunch, but this came out great. And this is the back. less I am happy. So I didn't get to see what the mileage was today, but we didn't put too much. I went from Van Nuys to Linwood, now going back to Van Nuys. So yeah, that wraps up today, Friday. I'm excited because today I did get some more scheduling done for the following week. So tomorrow I'm gonna do my friend's Porsche. She is in aviation, and ever since she got her Porsche, I've been wanting to do it. So we're finally gonna do something tomorrow. Not sure what, I'll let you guys know, you'll see it. And then we got work lined up for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wow, no, not this Friday, not yet. But yeah, thanks for coming along on Friday. Again, these are going to be daily videos, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you are thinking about being a mobile detailer. If you are beginning being a mobile detailer, if you're a mobile detailer already, just look at the way I do things. I am not the only one that does things, so maybe you could take some little bits from what I do, mix them up with what you do, and hopefully that'll help. All right, so I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.